Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please take this opportunity to hit that subscribe button and click that little bell icon next to that subscribe button so you can set on your notifications on for all. That way you will be notified whenever my videos go out. I make new videos every single week and I cover everything from beauty to fashion to DIY projects to health and wellness and so much more. So today I want to talk to you about my latest quarantine gadget. Now over quarantine, I started off with not buying anything for several months and then going the total opposite and then buying all kinds of gadgets. I am a kitchen gadget gal. I love kitchen gadgets. If I had a big enough kitchen, I would fill it up with all kinds of gadgets. I'm talking ice cream maker, snow maker, all of it. I love kitchen gadgets. And my latest one is, I'm so in love. So I think in the beginning of last year, as probably most of you, discovered the air fryer and fell in love with it. This is my third air fryer. So let me explain why. The first time I bought it, I saw the videos, I saw reviews, I was really intrigued, and I thought, well, we have a small kitchen, so maybe I'll just buy a small one that I can use because, mainly it'll be me and my husband, just mostly for us because my kids can eat anything. And this is just a way for us to eat a little healthier and to just a neat new way to prepare some of our food. We wound up absolutely loving our air fryer, loving what it was able to do, but it was too small for us. So what I wound up doing was giving my mom that first air fryer, and then I bought a larger Ninja air fryer. Now Ninja is a trusted brand, a brand that I've purchased over the years over and over again. I love Ninja. They make really great quality products. My blender and food processor is by Ninja, so again, it's a brand that I really trust. I know that I'm getting quality whenever I buy something by Ninja. So I bought a larger Ninja air fryer and we loved it. But then a couple of weeks ago, I was talking to my father about our air fryer and he said, "Oh, that sounds really neat. I'd like to try one. Can you find one for me?" And then I was like, you know what if, and I texted my husband, I was like, maybe this is it. This is the opportunity. It's for us to buy an even larger air fryer, and I'll give him this Ninja, and then I'll get us a larger air fryer because I could always use a larger air fryer because we use it so much and we use it for a ton of things. And so I started researching, and then that is when I found my latest air fryer. So my latest purchase, and I'm going to be reading the name because I want to make sure I get it correct. It is the Ninja Foodie 6-in-1 8-quart DualZone Air Fryer with a Broil Rack. It is beautiful. It is so beautiful. I got it. It comes in multiple colors, and I got it in white. But the important thing is that it is 2 baskets. Now, in actuality, the baskets are smaller than the Ninja that I have, but because it comes with 2 compartments, it means I can do 2 things at the same time. So for us, it was just like a no-brainer. I'm gonna give my dad my larger Ninja air fryer, which is in great condition because again, these are quality products. They are meant to last for years. So I will give him that one and then get us this one. It comes with 2 baskets, so you can put your protein on one and then your vegetables on the other. Now, the neatest thing about the Foodi is that it has this thing called Smart Finish technology. The Smart Finish basically means that while one thing is cooking, it'll hold the other so that they both finish cooking at the same time, so that they're ready at the same time. So if I'm cooking a protein and a vegetable, but the protein takes longer, it'll hold off on cooking the vegetable until it can match in time so that they both finish frying at the same time. So you don't have to just cook the meat and then serve it and then keep it warm while the vegetables are finishing. It'll finish at the same time. And I love that. And it's like a no-brainer. You just set it and you can walk away and forget about it until it's ready or until you have to flip it and then it's done. Now, why I'm so obsessive about air fryers? I mean, if you haven't seen the craze, where have you been? But you can just make so much with it. You can make really healthy food. You could also make unhealthy food in it. But it's just been wonderful for us to heat up you know, for the kids, like chicken fingers and nuggets and French fries or sweet potato fries. And then to cook fish in, it's been wonderful. Just vegetables. I love vegetables. My favorite thing by far to make on the air fryer, the thing that I make most often, is kale chips. I love kale chips. I could eat a pound of kale chips every single day. If you want me to share my kale chip recipe, let me know. I'd be happy to do that either here or on Instagram. But it's one of my favorite things to make. It's so easy, so simple. My toddler even likes it. So does everyone else, because they're so tasty. They're so good and so healthy, and just a great way to get in some dark leafy greens in. And yeah, I'm obsessed with my air fryer. I really am, as you can see, because this is my third one, but this is the last one. I don't see it getting any better than this, at least not for a while. So I'm just so thrilled to have this in my kitchen now and to share my thoughts with you and why I love it, and why, if you are looking for an air fryer and you don't want to do what I did, which is go through some, realize that, oh, I really like this, oh, I could use a bigger one, this is an investment that's worth making, because I love my air fryer. I use it almost every single day, and it's just so handy to reheat things, to cook things, vegetables, proteins, frozen foods. It's just so handy, so useful. Love my air fryer, and I'm excited to try new recipes, because now my husband, it came with a little booklet with like how to make donuts on the air fryer, so we are going to definitely look for more recipes to be a little more adventurous with our air fryer. Now that we have 2 baskets, we can do multiple things at the same time, so it's just really, really neat, handy gadget. And again, I am that kitchen gadget gal, so just excited to have this be in my kitchen, because it's amazing. It's wonderful. It really is. And again, Ninja makes quality products. You can't go wrong with Ninja, and this Foodi is fantastic. I mean, you can see that so much work went into this. You have 2 independent baskets. One, if you only need one, you can work one without having the other one turn on. They're completely independent of each other. And then you can have them work together at the same time, and then you can also use that smart finish technology to make sure that your meal is done at the same time so that it's ready to serve. You don't have to keep one warm while the other one continues to cook. It'll come together at the same time, so I love that. In addition to its frying capabilities, it's a 6-in-1 because it also broils, roasts, reheats, dehydrates, and bakes. While we haven't baked or dehydrated any food yet, all of the other functions have worked incredibly well. Please let me know if you have any questions. Use that comment section below to ask any questions, make any requests, or just say hi. You know that I love to hear from you. Let me know if you want me to do some of my favorite recipes and make a video on like my top 5 things to make in the air fryer, do more demos. Let me know. I'm always happy to hear from you. Let me know if you've ever tried an air fryer, if you're interested in trying an air fryer, if you have any questions about air fryers or want to share a recipe that you really love, let me know. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.